Hello YouTube guitar heads, your DIY buddy Paolo here. Just giving you a quick update. As some of you have probably noticed, there is a contest going on. Yes, you could get a free guitar kit by joining this contest at Scar My Guitar's YouTube channel. If you feel left out, don't worry, you still have time to join. Contest started April 18, 2022 and will end April 29, 2022. So what are you waiting for? Go to Scar My Guitar to find out more about this contest. And while you're here, let me show you some part of it.
And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win a guitar kit. Yeah, that's right, I'm going to tell you how you can win a guitar kit. There's no purchase necessary to win this. The only two requirements you have is to participate, be subscribed to my channel, and Guitar Kit World's channel. But I'm 100% certain you're already subscribed to my channel, right? I bet you I could call the handful of people that have already hit the like button too. Come on now, help me get 2 handfuls of people. Hit that like button. I can make myself a custom guitar anytime I want to. I'm doing this for you. So if you want to be entered into it, number one, the first thing you have to do is you have to get in the description right there, go to Guitar Kit World and subscribe to their channel. And then pick any one of their videos and leave a comment. Tell them how you fell in love with guitars. You've only got 50 words. It's a 50-word limit, and you have to include hashtag Scar My Guitar Contest. Did you get that? Hashtag Scar My Guitar Contest? Well, we did all the lip flapping we need to do about that contest. Let's get it going on.